Today I'm reviewing breakfast at Wawa. They have a turkey, egg, and cheese croissant. I also got a green tea. And I also got a hash brown, which is baked instead of fried, which is nice. And it's come in this double paper situation to keep all contaminants off of the packaging. Wow. This croissant sandwich has some weight on it. You can see it has a white cheese. I'm pretty sure it's a white American, an egg, turkey sausage, which is nice because, you know, pork is everywhere. It's got some toastiness on the bun. I'm excited about that. Then the green tea. Now, I used to love Wawa's coffee, but now that the COVID is out, quarantine going on, I don't feel comfortable drinking coffee because it's a very high touch area. So I'm going to have a bottle of green tea, and it has 140 calories, which is not bad at all for 16 ounces. And the hash brown is the same situation, 140 calories, and it's baked instead of fried. So let me let you know what it tastes like. That croissant is buttery. It's not greasy. Buttery croissant, savory sausage, fluffy egg. Mmm. My. Mmm. That's better than the breakfast sandwiches a whole lot of places. And the turkey is an A plus for me. Mm. mm. Now on to the hash brown. One more bite. This sausage is makes you come back for more. mm. mhm. 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 Because this is baked and not fried, you really get the potato flavor. Mm-hmm. My only gripe is that it's stuck to the paper a teeny bit, but with a little bit of strategic peeling, You get a lot of yummy baked potato flavor. I think I'm getting a hint of onion in here too. I think there's only like 99 cents. Like the whole breakfast costs $5.30 with the drink. So let me tell you what the green tea is about. This is made with pure cane sugar, which is nice. I know some people are against high fructose corn syrup, but sugar is a sugar is a sugar. But different sugars and different sweeteners have different taste. And pure cane sugar is one of the sweeteners out there, next to, I think, maple syrup and honey. It's simple and refreshing, and it's not too sweet. So if you drive past a Wawa and you're in the mood for breakfast, I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.